ko lang sa inyo yung gagawin namin tonight. Hindi ko pa po talaga na-experience at hindi ko pa nakikitang itong trick na gagawin ni Nomer na to. First time kong makikitang gagawin ni Nomer to. So, Noms, explain?
Yeah, so earlier, I teach you how to do the energy, to manifest the energy by doing the activation. So right now, hindi ko sasabihin exactly kung ano mangyayari, but you guys be the judge kung ano yung makikita niyo. So, Lot, what I need you to do is to stand straight like so. And every time I will touch you here, you will lift this arm like so. Yeah, mas mabilis. Yeah. And then here. And then here. And then here, dalawa. Yep. Dalawa. And here. And then here. Yeah. Okay. This time, close your eyes. And open your eyes.
Oh my God! God! Hindi ka niya hinawakan. Totoo ba? No. Hindi ka niya hinawakan.
That is the basic example of energy.
Yeah. Hindi ka niya hinawakan.
Okay,
Teka, anong na-feel mo?
may mga hawak. Paano yung feeling ng paghawak niya? It's the same. As in,
Hindi niya hinawakan.
yung ano din. Yung yung paano gawa na.
Tingnan mo yung camera, i-review mo. Hindi ka niya hinawakan.
Now, pag na-master nila yung energy, pag manipulate ng energy na gano'n, you know, even from far away, you can touch someone.
Even from far away, you can touch someone.
Now, I'm gonna teach Ate Lot how to manifest the energy on her hands. Like, even though nasa magkalayo tayo, you'll feel it. You go like this. Don't move.
Mafe-feel mo may gumagalaw sa kamay mo.
What do you feel? Parang magnet. Go like this. Pala kasi ito. Dahil mo mas malayo yung kamay.
Ha? Meron siya, Noms, no?
I will activate it that even though I'm here and they are at the comfort of their homes, they will be able to feel the energy. So, paano natin gagawin natin? They just go like this. Okay, so if you are watching this, you go like this. And be sensitive sa feelings ng palms mo. The sensation, and then go like this. And don't move, just stay like this, don't move. And I'm gonna do an activation for you. Right now, you should feel the energy on your palms. That if you go like this, there, you could feel it now. There's a magnetic field between your palms. But if you go like this, mas lumalakas. Let us know in the comment section if it worked for you.
So, Ito pa, ito yung isang bagay ni Nomer talaga. Nung request lang to pero ito talaga yung pinaka-favorite ko na pinagawa ko kay Nomer ever since. Every time kami nagkikita talaga, kahit yung son ko, request ko lagi kay Nomer to, gusto ko mag-fold siya ng ng bakal. Char!
Mag-fold mo ba?
Gusto ko pong manira siya ng kutsara at tinidor.
It's very solid.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it back straight.
Oh my gosh, Nomer! So guys, sana po na-enjoy niyo yung kalokohan namin ngayong gabi. So, let us know in the comment section kung anong naramdaman niyo, kung na-feel niyo ba yun. But you know, take it seriously guys.
And kung first time hindi nila na-feel, rewind lang, ulitin lang nila. Because yung activation na ginawa ko na is-step. So, it's already out there.
So does it have to be no, kailangan bang medyo nasa lugar sila na quiet and na-concentrate sila or kahit na...
It's very important na walang electric fan or walang fan na umiikot para hindi nila, para ma-distinguish nila kung air lang yun or energy talaga. So it's very important walang hangin sa paligid. Yun lang.
Tapos guys, let me know also ha kung may naramdaman.
And also, if they try that, dilim, they will be able to see the light. O yung energy is, yes, makikita nila yun. It's like a bluish white color of energy. So let us know kung kumana.
Matry nga sa dilim yan.
And this kind of energy.
Matry nga yan sa habang tulog.
Oh yes, andun pa rin tama si Sir Leo. Kahit na kinabukasan, andun pa rin.
The next day mo makita kung the following day, nandiyan na rin ang energy. Just rewind. The energy is there.
Yeah.
Yes. So guys, yun lang po yung talagang gusto kong ma-experience nyo. So, let me know guys on the comment section if you think it worked for you. Let me know. And marami pa pong makikita nyo ulit si Sir Leo at saka si Nomer for sure. Kasi i-invade ko po yung mga class nila at tuturuan ko din sila ng mga energy na actually po talaga, sila talaga yung nag-guide sa akin. Kasi minsan, nalilihis po ako ng landas. Pero kasi alam na nila yung landas na pinupuntahan ko. Yun na talaga ako eh. Kumbaga, alam mo yun, kung sila yung mga spiritual guru, ako po yung sex guru. Char! Pero pwede rin naman totoo yun, guys. Kung sa mga hindi na po tumatayo.
Gaganunin talaga siya yung mga ginatukan.
Guys, alam niyo sa totoo lang, himas lang yung katawan siya. So guys, dun na po nagtatapos lahat. So, I hope you guys had an idea kung ano yung pinag-usapan namin. This is Nomer and this is Sir Leo.
I have a YouTube channel also.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. So if you want to see amazing stuff, mind reading stuff, telekinesis stuff, I have a YouTube channel, Nomer Mind Master. So i-link ka na siguro initially somewhere out there. Yeah. So
I will put a link below para you can also visit Nomer. So, yun na po guys. Nako, gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa inyong lahat for staying with us until the end. And I hope i-practice niyo po yung tinuro ni Nomer sa inyo and let us know in the comments below. And, syempre po, I would like to invite everyone to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification button para po pagka may mga vlogs pa ako na parating, you guys can be notified. And share it to your friends, everybody! Thank you so much for watching!